We are taking a trip today to Seven Magic Mountains. It's an art installation out in the desert. It's about 10 miles south of Las Vegas, and we got off of Highway 15 South, and we are on a side road now, and we are about a mile and a half from the art installation, but I'm going to film us driving in.
Mountains are beautiful.
Yeah. It's pretty flat out here, but there's mountains all the way around us. Degrees and sunny today. It is November. You gotta love the weather here.
And what's the story?
In 1 mile, arrive at Seven Magic Mountains.
GPS says we're less than a mile from it. And I can see them in distance. They're right over there. There you can just see a swath of color. We're coming up to it. So we have parked in the parking lot here at Seven Magic Mountains, and we're walking in. It's very busy today. There's lots of people here. We do have the dogs with us. They just get larger than life as you walk toward them. So this installation was done by a Swiss artist by the name of Ugo Rondinone, and it was put here and commissioned in May of 2016. It was supposed to be removed in 2018, but The artist got permission from Nevada BLM Land Management to go ahead and renew it for 3 years. And now it's set to be removed December of this year, 2021. It's too bad because it looks heavily visited. Hopefully they can get it renewed again. These towers range from 30 to 35 feet in height, and they're colored boulders. They were painted in bright neon colors. They're supposed to stand out in the desert and be the representation of humans versus desert. I did read that each of these boulders weighs about 40,000 pounds. Here comes Jeff with the little Yorkies.
Pretty weird, huh?
Yeah. These are so pretty and colorful. And they're just massive. Not sure. The desert's really pretty out here, and there's mountains surrounding this entire area.
Yeah. Come on.
And there's Joshua trees out here in the desert also. And a landscape. The contrast of these huge rock pillars out here is just breathtaking. Hi guys, we're standing in front of...
The weirdest place in America.
It's pretty strange. So I told you a little bit about this installation and the artist. And look it up here. Whoa.
Hopefully they use some kind of Gorilla Glue or something to hold this together so they don't come tumbling down. But yeah, it's amazing the amount of people that are actually out here looking at this, because
It is so busy here.
not exactly a bucket list thing, but it's very weird and interesting.
Yeah, kind of like one of those roadside oddity things that you just have to see for yourself. It's really pretty out here in the desert though.
Yeah, we brought
Just
the
all
whole
the bright
family.
colors.
We got the whole family here. Yeah. So anyway, hopefully people won't watch this video and say, what the hell? But that's what we're saying right now, so what the hell?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So, yeah, maybe check it out if you're around here. It's weird and interesting.
So I was reading up on the 7 Magic Mountain display here in the desert, and it's built on BLM land. So I read that the land lease is currently up December of 2021, which is next month. So I'm interested to further look into this and see if they were able to keep the installation here. I can't imagine that they don't, as it's a huge tourist attraction, as you can see, and it's just beautiful out here. There's nothing else around but these huge towers, totems I like to call them, of boulders in bright neon colors.